Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Google Ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay. So in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about portfolio BD strategy in Google Ads. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, let's get to know what is portfolio BD strategy. And in the later part of the video, we'll see how we can practically apply portfolio BD strategy in our Google Ads. Okay. So for learning more about portfolio BD strategy, we'll go to the official documentation of Google. Okay. So you can see over here, portfolio BD strategy definition, an AI powered, goal driven BD strategy that groups together multiple campaigns, ad groups, and keywords. So if you want to use one BD strategy across multiple campaigns, then you can consider portfolio BD strategy. Portfolio BD strategies use Google's AI to set bids to help you reach your performance goals. They include the following smart bidding strategies: target CPA, target ROAS, maximize conversions, maximize conversion value, maximize clicks, and target impression share. Once you create a portfolio strategy, it will be stored in your shared library. This is the central location for managing your portfolio BD strategies and tracking their performance. Portfolio BD strategies were previously referred to as flexible BD strategies. Okay, so I'm going to share this doc file in the video description so that you can learn more about portfolio BD strategy. And you can see over here, they have given us some related links like how we can create a portfolio BD strategy, about automated BD strategy. So if you want, you can go through these options. So let's go to the Google Ads dashboard and see how we can practically apply portfolio BD strategies. So you can see over here, I am one of the Google Ads account of one of my clients. So if I want to go to the portfolio BD strategy section, I will click on tools and settings, and from share library section, I have an option called BD strategy. So I'm going to click on it. Then you can see over here, if I click on plus button, then we have different bidding strategies for using portfolio BD strategy. So you can see over here, we have target CPA, target ROS, maximize clicks, maximize conversion value, and target impression share. So you can use any of this bidding strategy for using portfolio BD strategy. For example, I'm gonna use target CPA for the time being. So I'll click on target CPA and I will name the portfolio BD strategy as TCPA $19. Okay. So why I'm mentioning $19? So my average cost per acquisition or cost per action is $19 for all of these campaigns. So you can customize those options as per your requirements. So I'm gonna click on select campaign because I want to use same bidding strategy or target CPA bidding strategy across 3 campaigns. Okay, so I'll use this campaign. I'm gonna use this campaign, and last of all, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so I'll click on done, and I'm gonna give the target CPA as $19. So you can customize this option as per your requirements. And you need to give a daily budget. You can see over here, create a shared budget to use with this portfolio BD strategy. Enter the average you want to spend each day across 3 campaigns. So for example, I'm going to spend $200 for those 3 campaigns. And if I click on advanced options, then we have 2 options available here, like minimum bid limit, maximum bid limit. So for example, I'm gonna use minimum bid limit as $10 and maximum bid limit as $20. Then I'm gonna click on save. Okay. So this name is already exist. So I'm gonna name is target CPA 2. Okay. So I'm gonna click on save. So you can see over here, our portfolio BD strategy has been created, and you can see we have different metrics available here, like clicks, impressions, CTR, average CPC, cost conversion, cost per conversion. So it will start populating data. So we're not seeing any data because we just created this portfolio BD strategy. So you can see the holistic performance of those portfolio bidding strategies for this section, from this section actually. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can apply portfolio BD strategy on different campaigns, so yeah, hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.